Hello, little stars! Look, I have a surprise container. Do you want to see what's inside? Let's open it. Can you say open? Open. Let's open the container. Whoa, look. What do you see? Lots of pom-poms. Can you say pom-poms? Pom-poms. Good job. They feel so soft, squishy, and fluffy. How about we rub them? Rub, 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 rub. Can you say rub? Rub, rub, rub. Good job. Now, let's see what else is inside the container. We're gonna dig with our hands. Let's dig together. Ready? Let's go. I think I feel something round. What is this? It's a ball. Can you say ball? Good job. What else can we find in the container? Let's dig with our hands. Dig, 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 dig. I feel something. Whoa, what's this? It's strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Good job. It's so yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. Strawberry is food. We eat it. Good job. Now let's see what else is inside the container. Let's keep digging. Dig, 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 dig. I feel something. What could it be? Whoa, what's this? It's pear. Can you say pear? Beautiful. Pear is a fruit. Look, it's green color. I want to try it. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. Okay, let's see what else we can find inside the container. Can you say dig? Dig. Good job. I feel something. What's this? It's a potato. Can you say potato? Good job. What color is the potato? The potato is brown. It's a brown potato. Good job. Let's see what else is inside the container. Let's dig together. Dig, 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 dig. I feel something. What's this? It's corn. Can you say corn? Let's try the corn. Yum, yum, yum. So yummy. Corn is yellow. Good job. Now let's see what else is inside. Let's keep digging. Dig, 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 dig. Ooh, I found something purple. What's this? It's plum. Can you say plum? Yes, plum is a fruit. Just like pear. They're both fruits. And it tastes so yummy. Delicious. Let's see what else is inside the container. Let's dig inside. Dig, 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 dig. I feel something. What's this? It's a pancake. Can you say pancake? Pancake, so delicious. Good job. Now let's see what else is inside the container. I see more pom-poms. So soft and squishy. But is there anything else besides the pom-poms? Let's check. Dig, 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 dig. I found something red. What's this? It's an apple. Can you say apple? Wonderful. Apple is a fruit, just like pear and plum. These are all fruits, and we eat them. Delicious. Let's check what else is inside the container. Let's dig inside. Dig, 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 dig. I found something. What could it be? It's a banana. Can you say banana? Good job. What color is the banana? The banana is yellow. Yes. Now let's dig again and see what else we can find inside. Dig, 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 dig. I feel something soft. What could it be? Let's check. Ooh, look at that creature. What is that? It's a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Can you say monkey? Monkey. What color is this monkey? It's blue. Can you say blue? Good job. Now, do you know what monkey loves to eat? Monkey loves to eat a banana. How about we feed the monkey a banana? Let's feed the monkey. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. Banana. Monkey loves bananas. Let's check what else might be inside the container. Let's dig, 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 dig. I found so many pom-poms. Let's put the pom-poms down. Let's take more pom-poms out. More pom-poms out. Can you say out? Out. Good job. Let's take more pom-poms out. Oh, looks like the container is empty. Look, it's empty. Can you say empty? Wonderful. You did an amazing job, little stars. Thank you for playing with me. I hope you had fun. Now wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time.